Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to read the n number of lines from a file in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application. The command is to run our application python read n lines.py, my file name.py, enter. Notice here it's prompting enter the number of lines. I want to read 3 lines from this sports.txt file. So 3 lines means cricket, baseball and rugby. When I click enter, see here we got 3 here. Now I want to read number of lines 5 from this sports.txt file. When I click enter, see here we got 5.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder. This is the folder. And here the folder is added to our VS Explorer. Now the next step, I will add one new file to this folder. Read and number of lines.py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now I want to read n number of lines from a file which is a text file. Notice here in my folder there is a sports.txt file. Let's open that one. And here we got the sports.txt file. Now my aim is I want to read for example I want to read only 4 lines from this file. I want to get this output. So for that I am using Python code. Here I am adding our read file is equals to open method. In this open method I am adding r for read mode. Between double quotes I am adding my sports.txt file name, text file name. Then I am adding number of lines to read is equals to input enter the number of lines. We need to convert this integer type because input function converted to the string format. Now after that I am using for loop for x in r underscore file dot read lines function. Between square brackets I am adding 0. The starting index of the file line is 0 colon 3. That's it. Colon. Here I am not adding 3 here. Here I am adding n number of lines. This line I am adding here. The variable I am adding here. Then I want to print x. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output. Go to view, click terminal. And here we got the terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application. The command is to run our application python read n lines.py, my file name.py, enter. Notice here it's prompting enter the number of lines. I want to read 3 lines from this sports.txt file. So 3 lines means cricket, baseball and rugby. When I click enter, see here we got 3 here. Now I want to read number of lines 5 from this sports.txt file. When I click enter, see here we got 5. In our sports table, sports file, we have 6 lines of code. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to read the n number of lines by a user from a file in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We will catch you in my next video tutorial.